guys, I thought I would do kind of a quick clean routine with me. So I have a list here, and this is going to be like a speed clean. I'm not necessarily going to time it to an hour clean, but this is just going to be me kind of quickly tidying up the house and all that kind of stuff. So I have to, for my to-do list, I have to start a load of laundry. And I'm going to make our bed and tidy up the bedroom, and then I'm going to wipe down our countertops in our master bathroom, kind of tidy up in there, and I'm going to Swiffer the floor in there. And for the kitchen, I need to put some dishes away and do my breakfast dishes and also Swiffer the floors in the kitchen, and I need to vacuum the whole house, and I'm going to change out my Scentsy scents. My wax melts, I need to change those out. And I think that's it. I think I have everything that I need to do written down. So let me show you everything that I'm going to be using today in today's video, just because, you know, why not? Okay, so to wipe down all the counters in my house, because I'm going to use this in the bathroom and in the kitchen, I'm just using this Lysol Daily Cleansing Wipes. This is the one that's free from harsh chemical and residue, and you can use this on anything. So, I don't know, I just figured this is just an easy way to kind of I'm basically just tidying up the house and making it look clean. I did my typical cleaning routine on Saturday, and I just need to kind of tidy things up. So I'm just going to use this to wipe down the counters real quickly. I know this isn't necessarily the right way to sanitize your counters, but I want to just make it quick. So these are awesome for that. And then I decided to buy some dry Swiffer sweepers. I'm getting annoyed with my broom just pushing the dog hair around. So this is a brand new box. I've tried this before and I just hated spending the money on them, but I wanted to go ahead and just give them a try again. So, you know, this is what I'm going to be using on my bathroom floors and kitchen floor. And then for laundry, I love using Persil Pro Clean 2-in-1, this huge giant bottle. Excuse the dog, he seems to think he needs to go outside even though there's snow all over the place. Anyway, love Persil. Alex found out about it when he started working at the allergy clinic, and people were saying, you know, use Persil to clean your uniforms and all that kind of stuff. So really awesome. I think it's a German brand, European brand. Not positive, but you know, it actually smells pretty good and it hasn't irritated me. So I have been using fabric softener again. Sometimes when I use fabric softener and insect boosters, I get itchy and my skin gets irritated because it's just too much scents at once. But I'm just using this Downy Cool Cotton. This hasn't seemed to bother me or Alex. And what I have in the washer right now that I need to wash is a load of bedding. So, you know, it's always nice to add a little fabric softener scent to it. So, yeah, it's really lightweight scent, nothing too crazy. Alright, and to change out my scent packs, funny story about these real quick. The little boy, the little toddler that I nanny for, I have a car seat for him in my car. So, you know, we like to go to the park and do things that I've taken him to the bank to drop money off and checks off and stuff like that. And he's a pretty good kid to be able to take out, and sometimes it's just nice to get out of the house. Anyway, that was a side note. We went to Walmart because I needed to pick up a few things, and I never like doing it after I get off work. So I'm like, just come with me, it'll be fun. And he's like, and I'm like, just come on, it'll be fun. So we went to Walmart together, and to make it fun, I had him help me pick out some of these little scent bar wax warmer melts for my Scentsies. So he and I smelled pretty much everything. And he would smell it and he'd be like, and I would be like, yeah, no, not that one either. And we'd put it back, and then, you know, he'd smell one and I'd smell it, or I'd smell it and then he'd smell it, and I'm like, that one smells pretty good. And he's like, yeah, good. And I'd be like, throw it in the cart, and he'd like toss it in the cart all aggressively because he's a toddler and he's a boy, and he's just, you know, very aggressive about his movements. We picked out rosemary and spearmint, lavender and vanilla, apple pumpkin. He specifically picked this one out. Like, he was like, yeah! And I was like, okay, well, let's put it in the cart. And Tranquil Garden. So, yeah, these are the ones that we picked out together. So that was kind of a fun shopping experience for him. I also let him touch all the clothes. I said, go ahead, touch anything you want. So, yeah, it was fun and kind of a funny story about those. And so now when I use those, I'm going to think about him aggressively chucking these into the cart and smelling them and being like, yeah, this smells good. So anyway, let's get into the cleaning video. I feel like this was the longest intro of my life. Let's get to cleaning. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick clean with me. So yeah, I got everything done on my list I need to get done. I got the laundry in the dryer right now, and I even packed to stay the night at my mom's house. So yeah, I got a lot done and I'm sweating. So that's awesome. And these jeans aren't very breathable. Oh God. Anyway, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, live life in full bloom. And I will see you guys later. Bye.